This bag is 5 years old, and today it's $500 more than what I paid for it. And I guess that's considered an investment. And I just wanted to start a new series on my channel of me finding great pieces, pieces that make sense, and showing you them. Some trendy, some not so trendy, because I don't too much like to keep up with trends. I think trends are fads that fade off after a while. They just don't stick around long. So I will be buying up-to-date pieces as well, but more or less vintage to grow my collection. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey loves, in today's video I will be showing you what's in my bag, but before that I just want to show you that I came across this vintage Louis Vuitton 2005 crossbody bag, and I am in love with it because it is just what I need for every day. As a mom, I can just throw my things in it and go. I actually got this for a unbelievable price. So when I say don't sleep on thrifting and going to like auctions, you can just get great values. You can get great pieces, first of all. And I come from that. I'm bred from that. My mom owned 3 boutiques, and she thrift, and she did warehousing, wholesale. And so that's in my blood, but I only like do it for myself. I don't do too much of resale because I'm like a hoarder when it comes to like beautiful things. So here I'm just changing out my bag that I've been using for like a week or so, and can't get too much use out of these bags. This is a Zara bag, and of course they're made with like eco-friendly material, which is probably recycled plastic. So you can't really use it that much because, of course, it will deteriorate. And I guess this is the whole struggle that you see on TikTok about the knockoffs. A lot of that stuff, the material is not the best quality, and so you won't get much wear out of it. Imagine coming across a 2005, 2006 crossbody handbag Louis Vuitton. You would think it would be in some of the worst condition because that's pushing what, 20 years? That's almost 20 years. So it's like 18 years old. 18-year-old bag. Here I'm taking it out of my Speedy. Yeah, I had it stored in there. I just got it, but I put it in here. And just imagine coming across this bag and it's in tip-top condition. So no one's making this knockoff because it's not a popular bag. People don't make trendy vintage bags, so you don't have to worry about it being a knockoff, but it's been certified, and I made sure of that before I purchased it, and I am in love. So I'm getting ready to just change out my things from my Zara bag into this bag because my Speedy, I just cannot wear it too much because it will just, wear and tear over time. So yes, when it comes to luxury bags, you're supposed to wear them, of course, because they're worth the money, but you don't want to overdo it. So I wear it, here and there if I have somewhere to go, and it's a bigger bag. But this bag is going to get a lot of love and a lot of use because it's a crossbody and it's smaller, and I'm in love. So these are all my essentials that I carry on a daily basis, just because I just don't like to not have certain things, whether it's hand lotion, a lip balm, a pen, a mirror. And yeah, ladies, always carry you some sort of poker, okay? Get you some pepper spray, get you a taser, or get you a blade. I got an army heavy duty metallic blade that I carry. I actually got this thrifting with my mom, and I am in love. I actually have to go back to that spot me and my mom used to go to because we used to get so many great items. Yes, it's a little blurry here. This is the very first Fenty. She discontinued this one, but I still have mine. I love it. Never getting rid of it. But these are just some of my essentials that I carry daily. A perfume or 3, because I got like 3 of them in my bag. I don't know why. But you just never know what situations you're going to run into. And so I like to make sure I have my essentials with me. Of course, my wallet. And I definitely carry a small wallet now. Back in the day, I used to carry a big fold wallet. Don't do that anymore. My hand sanitizer and a few other things. But I really got on here so you guys can see this bag. that I got. There go my weapon. Yes, honey, heavy duty. It's heavy too. And I put it on a side where I can reach it. So it's going in the side slot. So I know where exactly it is in my bag, and my hands go right there in case I need it. Don't throw your things down in your bag and think when you're in the emergency setting you're going to be able to access it. No, set that up before you even walk out the door so you can have it. My double-sided mirror. I'm definitely not taking this pin because I'm like, I wanted to, but I have pins in my car, but I don't really like the color of this pin. So other things that you see here, I'm not going to put in my bag. But I'm just so excited to show you guys this new find. Again, don't be afraid to find auctions. I live in Miami, so it's old drug money here. There's old wealth here. There's like so much wealth in Miami that's untouched, unknown. So if you do a lot of thrifting here, you get great pieces. It's just the city is expanding, and it's already a big city as it is. So am in love. Definitely going to get a lot of use out of this bag. She's very gorgeous. You definitely, and she's heavy. They don't even make bags like this no more. Like you would think, oh, that's a crossbody bag. It's lightweight. No, she has a little weight on her, babes. She's heavy. They don't even make them this weight anymore. Compact, but very much gonna get tons of use. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I just threw her on to show you how I will be wearing her daily. And yesterday's price is not today's price. We have to be more productive other than vanity. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.